star I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. At first sight, I felt the energy. Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to Diamonds by Rihanna. I've left my other Rihanna piano tutorials linked in the description below. I'm just going to sing as a reference point, and I've left where you can find the full chords and lyrics to this song in the description as well. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of B minor. So on the screen now, all the notes of the scale of B minor. So these are the notes we are working with. Here is middle C as a reference point. I'll teach both hands at the same time. So left hand will be blue and right hand will be orange on the screen there. It is the same chord progression, more or less the same chord progression all the way through, but not exactly. So I'll play the intro. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. And then into the verse. So the first chord, and these are all the exact inversions like what's in the song as well. So we have G. So first chord we have is G major. So you don't have to play octaves in the left hand, but you can just play a single G. In the right hand we have second inversion of G major, so that's D, G and B. So we're going to hold that down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have roots position of B minor, so B's in the left hand, or just a single B, and then B, D, F sharp in the right hand, and we hold that down for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that moves down to A major, root position. So we have A's in the left hand, and in the right hand that's A, C sharp, and E. And hold that down for 6 beats, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then on the beats 3 and 4, the right hand is going to play this. The left hand is going to stay holding those A's. So this chord basically makes B minor 7 over A. So in the right hand we have A, B, F sharp, and you can bar the A and B with your thumb if you want to, and then play that F sharp, or you can play it like this, whichever fingers suit you better. So if I just play all of that intro again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we're going to play the intro, the verse and the pre-chorus. I'm just going to demonstrate the whole way through, and then we'll get to the chorus part. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Find light in the beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star at sea, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away. Oh, right away. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the life inside your eyes. And then we're into the chorus. So it's basically the same chord progression. It's just the last chorus. It's just the last chord is a bit different. And the way I'm going to play it in terms of like the playing pattern, I'm not just going to keep the chords held down this time. So if I just play it first. So I'm playing the notes together and I'm going together, right, left, right, Then the same for B minor. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Same for A major. So we'll do this 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then this time the left hand's going to come to F sharp. So we have B minor 7 over F sharp. So this is the only difference. Play that twice. And we repeat that 4 times for the chorus. So I'm just going to demonstrate the chorus. I saw the life inside you shine bright tonight. You and I were beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I too, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. And then we're into the verse, which we're going to play the same way as the first one. Then the pre-chorus, the chorus, we're going to play the same. So I'm just going to continue until we get to the bridge part. Palms rise to the universe as we moonshine and believe. From the walls we'll never die. We're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star, I see a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the light inside you shine bright tonight. You and I were beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I do, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the... And then we're into the bridge. So I'm going to choose to play the bridge an octave higher. It's going to be slightly different, just add a bit of variation. So G major, so it's how we're playing it here, but an octave higher. Just a single G in the left hand. I'm just going to hold these down. And then we have, listen to the string part, we have B minor, but we have it as second inversion. So that's B in the left hand, and then F sharp, B, D in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up to A major, just an octave higher than how we've played it before. And then we're going to play 2 single notes, F sharp, D. Again, I've listened to the string part, and it's just like a nice way to differentiate the bridge from the rest of the song. So I'll do that again. So G major, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the timing of it. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. So shine bright tonight. You and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I do, You can end it on B minor, because that's the root chord. You can end it on any inversion you want. So here we have F sharp, B and D, or you can play it B, D, F sharp, or D, F sharp and B. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.